Hey guys, my name is Alan Fox. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to do bubble braids. Technically, they're not even braids because they're the easiest thing to ever do, and if they look good on me, which my brother just said they don't look good on me. Last night I practiced and he was like, that looks bad. Today I did it and he was like, it looks worse. So I don't know if it looks good or not, but this is how you do it. Maybe you'll be able to do a better job than me because my hair, I don't have the best hair. Genetically, both of my parents really gave me the lottery when it came to hair. I'm so mad upset. My grandfather has such good hair. He did not pass me a single gene. I'm so mad at him. So let's talk about my hair, shall we? This is my hair. I have dry, frizzy hair. I don't have a lot of hair and I have black hair. So best believe if a hairstyle looks good on me, it's gonna look good on anyone. And I know what you're thinking, that is a lot of hair. It's not. It's not. This is all of my hair in a braid. If I put my hair in a braid, it's about yay thick. Because it's frizzy, that's why it seems like, oh, there's so much of it. There really isn't. There really isn't any of it. So now that you've seen my hair, you know that I cannot walk out of the house looking like this. I need to do something with my hair. But the problem with most hairstyles on the internet is that they're either girls with the most beautiful, sleek, straight, shiny hair. And I know damn well if I try doing that, it's not gonna look good on me. Or the hairstyle is only for light colored hair, like light brown or blonde. And if I try the hairstyle on my black hair, it's not that visible. Like there are just so many issues. Or people use a lot of products. People use gels and mousse and wax sticks, and I have none of those. I don't have a lot of instruments. I don't have a lot of ingredients, products. I just have frizzy hair and I don't want to put in too much effort into it. So if a hairstyle looks good on me, once again, it's gonna look good on anyone. So now that I've yapped enough, let's get into it. I'm gonna come... Oh my god, I think my chair just broke. I'm gonna move in closer so you have a better look at what I'm doing. Okay, first step, we're going to divide our hair into two sections. Oh, and the only other thing you need is hair elastics. I already did one side, so I'm going to show you the other side. I start out by taking like a little strand of hair that I'm going to leave be because I always look weird if I don't have any loose strands. I hate the look of it. So we're going to take a loose strand, put it to the other side. Next, we're going to take a small section of hair like that, take elastic band, and just tie it up. Like so. Next we're going to take another section of hair like that. So the elastic one is also in here, and we take another chunk and we tie it up. Take another strand of hair. Make sure to get hair from the back as well, like you don't want to miss those hair. Also, you have to make sure that you take big chunks because we want all the hair tied by this point, because otherwise it's going to have like this loose tied hair and that doesn't look good. So you're gonna tie all the hair by this point. I'm gonna do two more. Once you reach the bottom, you're going to add a couple more elastics. Hair is so frizzy. That's it. Now this is the important part. We have to turn these into bubbles because our bubbles are a little deflated right now. So you're gonna start at the top, grab the sections and just pull at them. This is the problem with black hair. You can't even see what I'm doing. Let me show you at the bottom. Like that. So there is like actual bubbles. So as I've said, I don't have a lot of hair. So whenever I make hairstyles, my scalp becomes really visible and it's not really a good look. Especially on camera, it looks like I'm bald. I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and I'm gonna fill in these spots. Magic! I really need to start using onion juice again because my hair was growing so much and then I stopped. I haven't used it in years. That's why I don't have enough hair anymore. Also, while we're talking about hair hacks, how do you take it out? Because I feel like one of the biggest scares is taking out so many elastics. It's gonna break your hair. So I'm gonna give you two tips. The first hack is don't use scissors. Repeat with me, you're not gonna use a pair of scissors. You're going to use an X-Acto knife. My knife is downstairs. That's why I'm going to demonstrate with scissors, but you're not going to use scissors. Let me demonstrate. Take the blade of the X-Acto knife and you're just going to snip it. Snip the rubber band. If you try to cut it with the scissors, you might cut your hair. but with just the blade, it's gonna snip the rubber band and not cut your hair. So that's the first hack. And if you don't want to waste so many rubber bands, the second hack is to cover the rubber bands in something oily before you use them. I sometimes use snail mucin or a moisturizer or even this like heat protecting cream thing. It makes the rubber band very slippery, so it will stay on. It will stay on, but the moment you pull at it, it will pull right off. I like to put all the elastics in a tiny bowl, squeeze in some moisturizer, mix it with my finger, and they all get covered. And they're going to slide right off and your hair is not going to break. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give me a like. Also comment below and let me know, would you like to see more hairstyle videos? Let me know that, and also subscribe, click the notification bell so you be notified every time I upload, and also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. They're both at OnlyFox, and yeah, that is it. I'm the only OnlyFox in this world, and you are going to catch me in this hairstyle so much more. I am determined. I am not going to show up on camera again without hairstyles because my hair is always looking so dusty, crusty, and musty. Sorry about that. My hair is usually not looking very nice, so I think it's time we start doing a little bit something with it. Let me know if you like it, and I'll catch you in the next video.